Did you ever want to replate some of your old rusty, crusty hardware, but you couldn't afford one of those fancy kits? Well, what if I told you I found a way to get great results for 20 bucks or less? Okay, the first step in the DIY zinc plating process I'm about to show you, we have to cook ourselves up a nice zinc bath. And as any great chef knows, the first step in any great recipe is to gather all the ingredients. What we're going to use is white vinegar, ordinary table salt, granulated sugar, and of course we're going to need a source of zinc. You can either get these on Amazon, eBay, or I've even seen people use zinc roof flashing. You're also going to need a power source, and optional, but it does help, is a fish tank bubbler. Now that we have all our ingredients together, it's time to start cooking. We're going to put the vinegar in a non-metallic container, and we're going to dissolve some salt in it to increase the conductivity of it, and we're going to put some sugar in there. That supposedly helps to reduce the formation of large crystals, which will give you a better zinc finish. Now, once we get that done, we put a piece of zinc on each side of the container. Now we take our power source and take the positive side and connect it to one piece of zinc and the negative to the other. And we plug it in and let that go for at least 2 to 3 hours. Now what that's going to do is it's going to cause the formation of zinc ions in the solution of vinegar, salt, and sugar. The next step in our zinc plating process is probably the one that's the most important, and that is preparation. No, not that preparation. We want to make sure that the part is as clean and pristine as possible. You could use abrasive blasting. You could use these really great abrasive cleaning wheels sold through Premix. I'll have those listed down below in the description. Heck, my friend Charles over at MX Survival even abrasive blasts and then vapor blasts his hardware. But hey, you can't argue with his results. Check them out. Now that we have the part all nice and clean, we need to throw it into an acetone bath. That's going to clean anything off of there that we didn't see. Now, it's imperative that once you do this acetone bath, you do not touch the part again with your bare hands. Now that we have a beautifully clean part, it's time to put it in the zinc bath. You want to put it in the zinc bath and suspend it by copper wires, just that it's down under the surface, but not touching the bottom of your container. Now you want to take your power source and connect the positive lead to one of the zinc anodes, and the negative goes to the part. Now on this one, I'm using 2 zinc anodes and I'm connecting them with the jumper wire. And on pieces like this that are a little bit larger, I also connect the 2 pieces of copper wire that are suspending the part with a jumper wire as well. And you can see the fish tank bubbler. All that does is keeps everything moving. Your part is ready to be removed from the zinc bath when it's a light gray color, as in the side of the bolt with the head on it here. Now, with just a couple seconds of a buff with one of those Premix wheels, it turns it all nice and shiny. And you can tell it has a fresh coat of zinc on it, because it's just like I was back in the day. Smooth. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you check out this video up here, or this playlist down here. And if you hit this button up here, you'll subscribe to Premix and Pedals. And if you enjoy gaming, check out my stepson's Twitch channel. I'll have that link down below.